Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome to another tutorial. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be using the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, and the palette I'm using is the Bling Boss palette. I'm starting off with Hush Hush, and I'm applying that all over my lid, and I'm using it as my transition shade. Next, I'm picking up Rockstar, and I'm gonna apply it right on top of Hush Hush and blend those shades together. Now I'm picking up the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid, and I'm going to blend it with my finger. Now I'm going to pick up Mystic, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid on top of the Black Bean Eye Pencil. Now, using a Morphe blending brush, I'm just going to blend those two shades together and make sure there are no harsh lines. Now I'm going to use a little bit of Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to draw a wing, and this is going to be kind of a base for the next shade that we're going to be applying. Now, using a pencil brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Bling Bling, and I'm going to use this shade as my eyeliner. Now I'm going to clean up any fallouts I might have, and also this is going to help me sharpen my eyeliner wing. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Lash Kitty x OMG Lashes collab, and these are in the style Glam On. For my waterline, I'm going to be using this Milani Brow Bone pencil. It's a highlighter pencil for the brow bone, but I'm just going to use it as an eyeliner. Now I'm going to use this shade Rockstar, and I'm going to blend it all over my lower lash line. And lastly, I'm going to be applying mascara to my bottom lashes. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys next time on my next video. Bye.